Hey, welcome to UK Wildcrafts. One of my favourite herbs for cooking has to be this, wild thyme. It's a strongly aromatic plant and smells just like cultivated thyme. June and July are the best months to pick wild thyme. It's mostly found in grassland with dry, chalky soil and where the grass is quite short. And it's especially found near the coast or high up in hills and mountains. It's a low growing plant, usually not more than a few centimetres tall, and it spreads to form large mats. And walking through a patch of this releases that lovely aromatic thyme smell. Thyme is from the mint or Lamiaceae family, so it has a square stem. And the stem is hairy, but only on two opposite sides. So two sides of the stem are hairy and two sides are smooth. Thyme has small oval leaves that grow in an opposite arrangement, and the leaves are usually covered in fine white hairs. They have densely packed flower heads of tiny pink or purple flowers. The flowers around the outer edge of the flower head open first, leaving the unopened buds in the centre to open later. The flowers look similar to other members of the mint family, such as the purple dead nettle. They're just a lot smaller. So I'll pick the whole stem and use the flowers and the leaves for cooking. If the stems are still nice and soft, I'll include them. If they go a bit woody, like this here, then I'll just strip off the leaves and the flowers and discard the stem. Wild thyme tastes just like cultivated thyme, though maybe it's not quite as strong a flavour as cultivated thyme. So what I'll generally do is just gently heat it in a dry pan to release the natural oils, and then saute with onion and butter as the base for many dishes like curries and stews or for soups.